chance of showers in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. Monday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, originating from the Austin, San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office. The current time is 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. The San Antonio NOAA Weather Radio Roundup at 10 a.m. in San Antonio. It was partly sunny. The temperature was 49, the dew point 41, the relative humidity was 74%, the wind northeast at 9 miles an hour producing a wind chill of 45, and the pressure was 30.32 inches and rising. Austin Bergstrom mostly sunny 44. Bernie cloudy 43. Pleasanton cloudy 52. Kennedy partly sunny 51. Corpus Christi mostly sunny 55. Brownsville sunny 63. Houston partly sunny 45. Dallas Fort Worth mostly sunny 37. San Angelo cloudy 35.
Oh, there we go.
This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio. The preceding signal was a test of this weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous conditions. The station you are listening to and the counties we alarm for are listed in a statement at the top of each hour. The San Antonio NOAA Weather Radio Roundup at 10 a.m. in San Antonio. It was partly sunny. Stretch their lead to 60 points before reverse knocking Sacramento 128-75. This is SR in sports. Joel Embiid scored 12 as 42 points. The fourth quarter as Philadelphia beat New Orleans 117-107. Toronto never trailed, and